Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Hello, hello, bonjour. Today's video, I'm going to show you all the Christmas gifts I received. I'm super excited because I have 3 new I'm so excited. I hope you really enjoyed Christmas, guys. What have you done? Let me know in the comments. Where have you done Christmas? If you done it with your friends or with family or not, or just let me know. And what did you get? Like, what kind of gift you get? Like, even if it's like very shitty gift, because we all have someone in the family that offer you like very shit gift. Anyway, I'm just gonna show you like the best gift I got, because I also have someone in my family that's giving me like sometimes weird gift. But you know, okay, let's dive directly in the video. I'm gonna make like the unboxing right now. Okay, so I unboxed it. So the first one I got is this key pouch from Louis Vuitton. This is a monogram Canva one. I'm super excited because I was mentioning this on my wish list for a few times now. And I mentioned it in my videos because these days I'm wearing only like very small bags or my bigger bags, but I only have like my card holder. And I do not have anything for coins. And in Spain, because I'm living in Spain right now, we do use lots of cash and coins. So I was like, always missing something. So I decided to offer myself with BLS because I have my own luxury resale platform website, bamluxurystore.com. We're gonna put this here. And so I have access to lots of things. And this year I haven't kept anything. Nothing. Nothing. It was so hard because I saw so many bags that I wanted to keep for me, but I kept nothing. But for Christmas, I did. So I did keep this one. This is like a very small key pouch. And this one is so freaking cute. And I already put like lots of coins inside because I'm already using it actually. So I'm super, super happy. Ta-da-da. And the other gift that I received is here. And another here. I'm just gonna show you just after. In the meantime, I wanted to show you the box that we send to all customers. So I just kind of put everything inside our packaging. So we do have like the papers. We do offer also each time a dust bag, usually in December. We also have a thank you card. I did not put my name because, you know. And we also have a certificate of authenticity that we put inside everything. For this one, I also have the entropy certificate, even if I don't need it because I know it's like a legit one. It's an authentic. I don't need it, but just in case, guys, sometimes we do have the entropy certificates. Okay. I was looking for something like this for quite some years now, but always waiting because either I did not have the full budget or I was waiting for something else or another bag came up and I had to buy it. So, you know, but this year was the year. And ta-da! I have here a micro Lady Dior. So I'm going to just put this here. So we have a micro Lady Dior. This one is insane. This is a very beautiful shade of blue, silver hardware. I'm completely in love with my new baby. We will have to give it a name. So let me know. So comment the video with the name you think we can call it. I don't know yet. I was thinking like blue candy or something. I don't know how we can call it. So for this one, I also found I had the strap with it. So it's actually very cool because I'm gonna be able to use it like crossbody, and I also can adjust the strap. So excited. So when I received it for BLS, so I was supposed to sell it actually. And when I received it, I was like, oof, this is the bag. Should I keep it or not? I kind of hesitated like for almost 2 months. So I kept the bag for 2 months and I was like, oh, should I keep it? Should I not? Should I keep it? Should I not? And I was like, this is the bag. This is the bag. I was not supposed to keep a bag this year, but I was like, I worked my ass out this year for BLS, for everyone, and was like, I deserve this. I owned it. I deserved it. You know, like I manifested it. I worked my ass for it. This is mine. So now this is mine, and I'm super excited because this is such a beautiful bag. This is a cute candy, and this is my first Lady Dior ever. I'm gonna cherish it, promise. Okay, so Lady Dior key pouch, and now I'm gonna unbox the last gift that I received. And this little gift is from, well, this is an amazing gift. This is my friend Just Filou that offered me this for Christmas. I'm so excited. I haven't taken this out of the box yet because I wanted like to keep it for Christmas. So now that Christmas is okay, I can open it and I can start wearing this bag. I'm super excited because I love it so much. Like, it's insane. So as you can see, this is from Polène. So Polène is a French brand created in 2016. So it's quite a recent brand. This is not a luxury brand. This is a premium brand. But they work so good at marketing that now they're super famous. Ta-da-da. What do you think she offered me as the bag? So excited. This one, I tried it in store when I was in New York in May while I was there. I fell in love with this bag and this color. And I don't know when I mentioned it to Lou, but she remembered it and she was like, ta-da! She offered it to me. So, she's so nice. She already has some and she was telling me like how great they are, how the quality is good. And I was like, I don't know if I'm going to wear the bags or not. So this is why I did not bought them, because I already have plenty of luxury bags. And I was like, will I really wear the bag or not? But at the same time, it's very cheap and it's very good quality. So I was kind of hesitating. So, you know, she offered me and I can test now. So I'm super, super excited. We have, ta-da, the number 9, so numéro 9 in French. So it's the number 9 mini size in camel. I'm very excited because this is the one I wanted. She's so sweet. Thank you again. I'm so in love with this bag. I'm gonna wear this baby every single day. I was looking also for a bag that I could wear every single day without worrying about the bags I'm wearing. And I don't know if you feel the same sometimes. I'm like, I only have luxury bags. I don't have premium brands. I only have luxury bags. And sometimes I'm like, I want to go out very quickly, like for coffee or just to have like go for groceries and everything. And I'm like, I don't want to wear my luxury bags depending on where I'm going. And I had nothing. So now I can wear this little baby. So I will be doing like a video, like probably in 6 months, where I review the bag, the brand, the quality, what I'm thinking about it is if it's worth it or not. I'm sorry, you will have like different shades of lights because the sun is playing like hide and play. So it's a bit annoying today. But yeah, I will be doing like a review, full review of this bag, like probably in 6 months. But I'm so in love. And also for this one, like, of course I will be doing a review. Anyway, this is all for today's video. This is all the gifts I received for Christmas. So hope you guys also had you had a very good Christmas. Enjoy your holidays because it's not over. There is like New Year's Eve. What are you doing, by the way, for New Year's Eve? I'm still hesitating on what we should do or not. I usually don't like spending New Year's Eve like in clubs or doing something. I usually like just to chill. This is not like I don't know. I don't like to celebrate New Year's Eve. I don't know why. I don't know. I'm part of these people that don't like New Year's Eve, I guess. And it's been 4 years, so, you know. Thank you so much for watching this video and my YouTube channel. Do not hesitate to subscribe if you did not yet. And just to press the like button, of course. Bisous, bisous. Thank you again. Bye-bye.